Hey everybody, this is Max here from FlexArm. Today we're going to be doing a tap test for our friends Ataco Steel out in Wisconsin. They reached out to us, had a couple questions about our R&R and its tap capacity. So for right now, we have this piece fixtured in here, 10 by 24 laser cut steel, and we're going to tap this with the R&R. And then we also have these two other parts that are 3/8 laser cut and then 1/4 inch laser cut. So for this particular tap test, we're going to be doing 10 by 24. So anytime you're kind of doing a 1/4 inch and down, you'll need our 2-to-1 reducer to be able to run those smaller size taps. So real simple, just snap the torque holder into the reducer, and this snaps right into our quick change chuck right there. So now that we kind of got the 1/4 one set up in the vise, so we're going to go ahead and chamfer the holes quick. This is our 3/8 drill chuck with a chamfering bit in there. And again, it's size 1, so we'll go ahead and snap this one into the reducer. Okay. And we're just going to be breaking the edge on these so the tap can sit in right nice. So there you have it, a successful tap test with the RNR-20 FlexArm. Call us today if you have any questions. If you're tapping into laser cut, I'd be happy to have a conversation with you or visit our socials.